Hello everyone, this video is for grade 1st, so let us start. We have 3 different sections in this sheet. We will learn about 3 different subjects: English, Maths and EVS. Let us start with English. The question is, fill in the blanks using a or an. In this, what we have to do is, we have to fill these blanks with a और an. a या फिर an लिख कर इन blanks को fill करना है. Now, where do we fill a and where do we fill an? हम a कहाँ लिखते हैं और an कहाँ लिखते हैं? We use a before consonant letter or consonant sound. We use a before consonant letter or consonant sound, and we use an before vowel letter and vowel sound. a हम consonant letters के पहले use करते हैं और an vowel letters के पहले use करते हैं. So how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowel letters, and before these letters we will use an. And except all the letters are consonant. B, C, D, F, G, H, L, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these letters are consonant. Okay, there are total 21 consonants and 5 vowels. So we will write a before consonant and an before vowel. So the first picture is of apple. What is the spelling of apple? A double P L E, apple. Apple starts with A. A is a vowel word, vowel letter. So what we will write? We will write an. We will use an. A-N, an. See the next picture? It is of a B. B-double-E, B. It starts with letter B. B letter से start होता है. So B is a consonant. Before or consonant letter we use A. So we will write here A. The third one is the picture of a duck. Duck starts with D. D-U-C-K. Duck. It starts with D. And D is a consonant. So what we will write before it? A. Understood? In this way we have to write A or an. Now see the next section, which is of maths. Write the number that comes in between. What we have to do in this? We have to write that comes in between. वो number write करना है जो 2 number के बीच में आता है. Like what comes in between 3 and 5? 3 और 5 के बीच में क्या आता है? 4. 4 comes in between 3 and 5. 4 comes in between 3 and 5. 3 और 5 के बीच में 4 आता है. 3, 4 and 5. In this way we have to fill. Now, what comes in between 7 and 9? 7 और 9 के बीच में क्या आता है? 8. Yes. 8 comes in between 7 and 9. 7, 8, 9. What comes in between 0 and 2? 0 और 2 के बीच में क्या आता है? कौन सा नंबर आता है? 1. Yes. 1 comes in between 0 and 2. So in this way we have to fill what comes in between. See the next question. Write the number that comes in between. In this also we have to do the same. इसमें भी हमें same ही करना है. इसमें भी हमें between number ही write करना है. We have to write the between of the given numbers. Understood? Like what comes in between 21 and 22? 21 और 23 के बीच में क्या आता है? 21 और 23 के बीच में क्या आता है? 22. 22 comes in between 21 and 23. Now what comes in between 34 and 36? Yes, 35. 35 comes in between 34 and 36. 34 और 36 के बीच में 35 आता है. 34, 35, 36. So this was about maths. Let's move to the EVS portion. The first question is match the following. In this, a few days are given and their respective dates are also given. What we have to do in this, we have to match these dates with their respective days. Okay? We have to match these days with their respective dates. When do we celebrate Independence Day? August. Very good. So we will match it with 15 August. 15 August, Independence Day. When do we celebrate Republic Day? 26 January. We have celebrated it now. 26 January. Now, Gandhi Jayanti. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. So in this way we have to match these days with their respective dates. इन days को इनकी date से match करना है. Now see the next question. Identify the following festivals. In this we have to identify these festivals. A little bit clue is given for each festival and we have to identify the festival. ओके हर फेस्टिवल के बारे में कोई क्लू दिया हुआ है. वो क्लू से हमें फेस्टिवल के बारे में बताना है कि वो कौन सा फेस्टिवल है. फेस्टिवल को पहचानना है. फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स मीन्स दीपों का त्योहार. दिवाली. ओके दीपावली. दिवाली. Diwali is called the festival of lights. Festival of colors, रंगों का त्योहार. रंगों का त्योहार होली. We celebrate Holi in the month of March. Okay, so this was all about today's sheet. I hope you all have understood this sheet very well, that what you have to do in these sections, in these questions. If you still have any kind of doubt related to any topic, you can ask me. Thank you.